etong nagkaroon kayo ng face-to-face concert sa UCU. Ano ba yung, kasi di ba during the pandemic din, meron din kayong theater, pero yung face-to-face na face mask, medyo mas malaya, perform. Ano yung mga, yung mga experiences nyo, ano yung advantages?
The adrenaline rush that it gives po. Sobrang malaking boost po yon sa performance namin. Nakaka-hype po kasi talaga when you see them, when you see they're enjoying. If you see them, mukhang inaantok, alam mo na yung gagawin mo to liven things up again. And yung feel lang, kumbaga I feel the love either way, no matter what, kung nakatakip yung mukha nila or hindi. But of course, it's truly different po when you actually see their reactions. It's priceless. It's really priceless.
Yeah, iba po talaga ang live. Nababounce yung energy. And in Walang Aray, it's also live, but they react to what you're doing kasi you're telling a story. Dito naman, in the concert, you're more of expressing yourself and engaging. Yeah, engaging po talaga with them. Trying to charm them, and then they react, you react, and then it's like a bouncing of energy to each other. And yeah, so audience plays a big part in a successful concert, and I think we did that.
Okay, may mga challenges ba kayo na naranasan towards the concert?
Sobra po. Sobra po talaga. So, ako po the night before, I have insomnia po kasi. So, talagang perfect timing siya. Hindi niya ako pinatulog po talaga. I had not a wink, not a minute, not 30 seconds, not even a micro nap of sleep. I guess I was so excited po, also nervous, so hindi talaga ako makatulog. I was so restless. And of course, kapag wala po kayong tulog, hindi talaga nasa condition yung boses mo, yung katawan mo. And because I didn't sleep, I didn't eat also the whole day because I was so worried that if I eat the wrong thing, it would get stuck in my throat, make things worse. Wag tulala. So, ayun po, those were my biggest challenges talaga, na I was crying to God, literally. I couldn't sleep, so I was just crying, "Oh Lord, bakit ngayon pa? Sa lahat ng araw na pwedeng magpuyat tayo, bakit ngayon pa po?" Sabi ko. Pero ang galing din kasi, thankfully, si God talaga, hindi niya ako iniwan. And nag-favor din ako kay Katie. Sabi ko, I'm not at my 100% today. Please, fill me in. Like, I mean, punuin mo yung kulang ko, please. Kailangan natin tumayo. So, ayun, nagawa niya. And nagawa ko rin naman po. I was able to get through the whole show. If I may say so, with flying colors.
Hindi halata na wala.
So, grabe lang po. Tulong-tulong din po talaga. I'm also very blessed na yung production namin, yung team po namin. Talagang kulang na lang, samahan nila ako on stage eh. Pero kumbaga alagang-alaga po, eh, hindi po talaga nila ako pinabayaan. So, yun po yung biggest challenge sa akin. Pero dahil na gawa ko naman po what was it in Tagalog word I'm looking for? Naitawid? Yes! Thank you! Hindi ko alam, nasa isip ko na subaybayan. Mali. And naitawid ko naman po. So, parang pinatunayan sa akin ni Lord na I'm stronger than all of my anxiety. And that if I could have done that, I could do anything. Yun, feeling ko lang, nilakas yung loob ko, grabe.
Actually, one of the struggles lang din, pagod galing sa rehearsals. Tapos, to be honest din, wala din kasi masyadong time for rehearsals, and we had a lot of songs to memorize, a lot of songs to practice. And during the rehearsals, ako personally, hindi ko talaga makuha yung songs. Minsan nalilito ako. And I didn't know why kasi I'm okay naman sa music. Pero, yeah, I think it was more internal kasi anxiety din ako, inside out too. Anxiety, fear. But when I got on stage, tapos narinig ko po yung mga kaway nila, yung mga sigaw nila, I was like, okay, this is good. We're gonna be okay. Yeah.
Thank you.
Tsaka bukod sa sigaw, di ba may mga dala pa sila mga
Yes.
bands,
Yes,
mga
it was so
props
cute.
sila.
Balloons pa sila nung finale.
Yung light, ano tawag dun sa light sticks? Light sticks, yes.
Yeah, the cardboard cutouts, lahat complete yung kanilang mga props. Ang galing-galing.
Parang just like you guys, perfectionist din yung mga fans niyo,
You
no?
know, sobra.
Yeah, actually.
Grabe rin pala, you think, I was so surprised to hear how much planning it took them. Of course, the money, it's expensive, but the planning, talaga nagbi-meeting din sila and all.
Yes.
Akala ko pupunta lang sila and gano'n na lang. But grabe talaga, kaya gusto talaga namin na ibigay yung deserve nila na show.
Oh.
Super organized din sila. Thank you so much, Miss
Thank you po.
Candice. Okay, now let's go to Jeff Perdon from Kapamilya Online World.
Hello, Princess.
Hello.
Congratulations sa sobrang
Thank
concert.
you.
Thank you so much.
Isa sa mga kinanta ni Alexa during the concert is yung unreleased song. May additional details na ba? Walang siya ilalabas.
Ito na.
Heto na. Actually, we're about to film the music video pa lang po. Kasi gusto ko, di ba sa international stars, when they release a single, it's accompanied by the music video. So that's what I'm trying to go for with this. Para no wasted time.
Oo.
Para kung magkaroon ng hype, I pray meron, tuloy-tuloy. So yun po, I guess, kakamiting lang namin kanina. Actually, kanina lang. So hopefully really soon, but I will announce kapag meron akong date. Thank you for
Nakakayak
asking.
siguro yung music video na yan.
Ay, gusto kong durugin kayong lahat.
Oh my God.
Dun sa unreleased songs is perform mo na dun sa concert, baka pwede natin sabihin sa mga hindi nakapanood yung title.
Oh yeah, oo nga naman. Yung song po na yon, it's entitled Kung Naging Tayo. So title pa lang, masyadong
Isa sa mga pinilihan din sa concert, yung eksena na parang pag mayroong nag-propose kay Disney,
yeah,
after
Love is an
nung
Open
Disney
Door.
Legend. Ano yung reaction natin? Impromptu ba yun?
Hindi po. Actually, galing po kasi yun sa song na Love is an Open Door sa Frozen. So, yun talaga yung lines niya na, Will you marry me? Pero yung sagot ko, yun yung impromptu kasi dapat ang sagot ay yes. Pero parang baka pag sinagot ko yun, maniwala sila.
Oo nga.
So, sabi ko na lang, sige, ask me na lang again in a couple of years.
Baka ma-headline niyo sa TV pa
Ayan
no?
na eh. Baka mga fake news tayo
Yes,
eh.
na, nag-propose kay Alexa.
Gusto na naman sing-sing.
Oo.
For Katie, nung premiere nung Fruitcake kasi parang super proud si Yen after nung premiere dun sa performance mo sa movie. Tuwang-tuwa siya dun sa comedy performance mo dun sa
Nanood na po ba kayo?
Nanood na sa premiere.
Nakanood ka?
Oh, hindi daw siya sa premiere.
Yeah, ayun at the back of the cinema, ini-interview ako ng some media, some influencer friends. Then si Ate Yeng lumapit, sabi niya, Katie, nakakatawa, ang galing ko. Ay,
Alam mo, umiiyak siya.
Umiiyak?
Umiyak siya. May paglingon niya kasi siya nasa harap ko. Diba, nag-credits, tapos palakpak siya, tapos umiiyak talaga siya.
Oh, that's really nice. But, baka hindi dahil sa akin.
Sa sa'yo yung lahat naman yun. Sa movie,
Sa lahat siguro.
natawa siya sa'yo.
Natawa siya sa akin. And I'm happy to give that to the movie. I'm happy to be the comic relief. Ako, sinabi ko talaga na okay lang sa akin na sa movie na to hindi ako wapo. Kasi hindi naman yan yung required sa akin. Hindi yan yung hindi ito heartthrob na role. This is batang bata yung role ko dito. And I needed to give that. And I'm so proud na may mga celebrity friends. They told me na, Katie, you're so funny man bro. You're so good. Ang galing mo. Natawa ako sa'yo. And that's all I wanted with this movie. That's my goal. Thank you.
Thank you. Balikan ko lang ito sa proposal. Actually, ginawa niyo rin yun sa rehearsal. Ano kasi nung rehearsal?
talaga?
Oo.
Ay,
Ano nung rehearsal? Yes. So, kung gusto niyo mapanood yung mga behind the scenes ng rehearsals nila, nasa YouTube membership po yan. Na
Oh, yeah.
ABS-CBN. Yes, if you're a super kapamilya, for only 49 pesos per month. Mapapanood niyo po yung mga iba-ibang behind the scenes sa mga ABS-CBN content. Isa na po doon ay yung Add to Heart concert ng Katie Lex. Kung saan, doon yung makikita yung unang proposal sa Love is an Open Door. Yes. Segue lang. Okay, now, let's go to Miss Ana Cerezo from TV Patrol.
Hi there.
Hi.
Hello. Congratulations again.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So, going back na dun sa kung naging tayo, tama ba? Parang yung concert mo, Lex, nagbigyan mo kami ng konting background. Pero para din sa mga wala doon, baka pwedeng i-share mo ulit tungkol saan to, yung story, yung mga nabanggit mo rin ng concert.
Basically po the song it revolves around regret. based pa lang sa title kung naging tayo, iniisip niya what could have been. So it plays around that question, what could have been. And di ba tayo minsan, hindi natin inaamin kung ano nararamdaman natin for whatever reason, takot, ayaw mapahiya, ayaw ma-reject, fear, basically. So yun po talaga yung meaning ng song, and ang gusto ko naman po i-portray sa music video is the consequences of not speaking up, of not being honest about how you feel. Yun po. So basically, it's just a song about regret. Para sa mga totga. Mga totga, diba?
So, Alexa, being a Swiftie, di ba minsan si Taylor may mga Easter eggs, tapos talagang pag-storytelling, ganun din ba yung peg mo sa yung music video? Pati teaser
Sadly, I'm not as smart as her. I'm not as creative as her. I wish I had her brain. I don't know how she's able to think the way she does. One of a kind talaga po si Taylor Swift. I don't know any artist who does it like her. She's insane in a great way. So, ako naman, I'll do the best I can. But, ayun nga, hindi ako talaga katulad kay Taylor Swift. So, baka wala ng Easter eggs, baka straight to the point na lang ako. Ibibigay ko na agad.
Pero ano siya, syempre papakita mo pa rin na you're a great storyteller, no?
Yes, of
So,
course.
may ganun pa rin siyang aspect na.
Of
Hindi lang
course.
siya as a singer, artist, actress, gano'n.
Yes. I would say, na-realize ko din po recently that I'm a bit creative pala. Because I never thought I was. Until I realized, sobra ako mag-conceptualize lahat ng shoots namin, lahat ng ina-attenda namin events, iniisip ko kung ano yung take namin. Ako lahat nagpa-plan talaga. So biglang na-realize ko na, parang creative naman pala ako.
Sabi sa'yo, pwede ka mag-director.
Hindi naman. Ano, creative lang.
Someday.
So, ayun po, yung for the music video, nag-meeting kami kanina, and I really told them I really wanted to be devastating. Ito, I want people to relate and cry. That's the goal.
What a goal!
What a goal, diba? Ang KJ, no, gusto magpaiyak. Pero yun po, so I really have a vision, and hopefully, maitupad naman ang vision na yun. So I'm so excited to hurt people.
Forward! How about you naman, Katie? Parang, syempre first love mo din ng music, no? So may, pwede rin ba kaming abangan na music from you this year, soon, or basta you keep on working on it. So, abangan na lang.
Yeah, ako, I'll continue to keep working with music. I want to really improve because music is like you said, music is my first love, and ayoko talagang bitawan yun kahit anong mangyari sa career ko. Like, I think that will always be something I'll go back to, but this year kung may aabangan, I'll let you guys know kasi
May pa-teaser,
may pa-teaser dito because kahit ako, di pa ako sure.
But last question na lang for me, but since kayo parehas, medyo inclined na lang sa music, do you sometimes toss ideas, parang you help each other, being na na-discover mo, very creative ka din pala, you help each other, kahit
Gawa po
ano.
ng song.
Yeah, or anything like nagtutoss kayo ng ideas, and minsan, it helps din naman.
I would say mas before. Dati po. Pero sa ngayon parang we try na when we talk to each other, it will just be about personal things. Because I feel like we see each other every day for work. So when we get home, we just want to be chill, talk about whatever, ganon. So maybe if we